guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kimmy, and in today's video I have an unboxing. This is from the cardstock carnival special we've got going on at the moment, so I've brought some cardstock, so I thought maybe I would show you what I got, because I did get the special cardstock too. Alright, let's get going. Let's just take those pieces out. Oh, and I did get a few other bits and pieces in here too. Alright, so I got some 3D foam tape, 3D foam dots, so those, Harbour ink, because I don't have that one. Now this one is a sneak peek into May's stamp of the month. It's called You Can Do Anything. And these are the die cuts from In Full Bloom. And then we have the cardstock. So this is the blues. So we'll go through. I'm just going to move the box onto the ground, and then we will go through the cardstock. Okay, so these are the blues. So there's 6 sheets of each colour. So if you have a look. Now the reason I got this is because I need this colour, because I use these for my Easter bunny rabbits that I've got on my Etsy store. So that's why I brought that one. These are some pinks. So let's grab that out. So again, you've got different shades of pinks. And again, I brought this because I use this one for my pink bunnies on my Etsy store. So these ones are oranges and yellows. And I brought some canary, because that's not canary, that's lemonade. I brought that because I use this for my chicks on my Etsy store, so I needed those. Mint, I got linen, and I got lemonade. This one here is the special paper for the cardstock carnival. So this is actually coated, if you can see that shine on there. So on one side it's shiny, the other side is just the normal matte. So there's lots of different colours in there, and they all have got that. It's a UV coating, so pretty. And yeah, so nice and shiny. Oh, I like the red. Check out that red. Lovely. Alright, so, and then I have one last thing to show you, is the In Full Bloom paper paper pack and sticker sheet. So that's that there. So these are all the stickers. You can see that. And then I will just quickly go through the paper. Oh, take it behind. So you've got that one, and on the back is that. And you've got stripes. And that. And then that one. And that one. Yeah. So that is everything that I got in my latest order. I was actually, before I do that, I just wanted to quickly show you these. Check out these. How cool are these? Can you see that? It's like a thick sort of cardstock. And they're the die cuts. I really like that. So there's a butterfly. I mean, look at that butterfly. So intricate cut. So yeah. Alright, so that is everything that I got in my order. I'm going to leave it there. If you haven't already done so, I'd really appreciate hitting that subscribe button. Alright, don't forget to add a little bit of sparkle to your day. Okay, bye.